Hello everyone, we're at COMPUTEX 2016. I'm Andrew from TCA. This is Casey from Liverage Technology, and she's going to introduce for us their award-winning product.
Hi, I'm Kathy. Our fix is combined with fiber checker, fiber meter, and light source, and it is different from our older instrument. It is light and pocket size, and it is a nice tool for fiber installation. With 2 light source ports and 1 power meter port. Optical visible light 650 nanometer module. We have 4 power meter wavelengths. We can change 850, 1310, 1490, and 1550. SFP size module designed with SC or LC connector.
Well, that is a lot of functions in such a small gadget. Thanks, Casey. For other similar products, be sure to check out COMPUTEX V on YouTube.